Hi kids, welcome to a new weekly Science Lab video.
We know matter is made of tiny particles called atoms that can be combined together forming molecules and giving rise to the multiplicity of different pure substances that exist in the universe.
But if you think that there are only pure substances in the universe, you are completely wrong. Reality is much richer and more diverse than that, and it is thanks to the existence of mixtures. Depending on how the components of a mixture behave when put together, we can distinguish several types of mixtures. To do this, we will simultaneously use two classifications.
A classification according to whether the components of the mixtures are distinguishable or not, so we will talk about heterogeneous or homogeneous mixtures respectively. And another classification according to the degree of dispersion of the components, which depends on the size of the particles dispersed. So we can have solutions, which are fine dispersions, colloids, that are intermediate dispersions, and suspensions, which are coarse dispersions. By combining both classifications together, we get something like this. So, solutions are always homogeneous by definition. Suspensions are always clearly heterogeneous, so we can always distinguish the components of them. But there is an in-between state of the mixtures called colloid that is kind of tricky because it looks homogeneous to the naked eye, but heterogeneous on a microscopic scale. So it looks like a solution, but it is not.
Let's put it into practice. Roll up your sleeves, for it is experiment time. We will need a glass with a little warm water, another tall glass, a funnel, a little plate, a spoon, some flour, salt, and paper kitchen tissues. First, we add a lot of salt to the warm water. The fact that it is warm makes the water admit more salt. We dissolve it well, and in this way we have obtained a solution. Now we add a little flour, just a little bit, and mix it well until it is apparently homogeneous. At this point, we have obtained a colloid. Apart, we prepare the tall glass with the funnel, to which we put the two paper towels as a filter. For that, we have to fold them this way. Now, little by little, we pour our colloid over the paper filter. And observe what falls into the tall glass. It is clear water, right? After several minutes, we obtain a little clear water in the glass, and in the filter, only flour remains. Now, pour a little bit of this clear water that you have obtained in the tall glass on the plate. It doesn't have to be all the water. Then carefully put the plate with the water in the microwave oven and let it heat up at maximum power for several minutes. Depending on the amount of water that you put on the plate, it will need more time or less. Let's see what happened. You can see how many crystals of salt have formed on the plate. I hope you like this experiment. I miss you all. See you!